country, they also deserve it. So social justice is what is lacking in Muslim Mindanao. So, and of course, economic development. The Muslim Mindanao was never it was not always a basket case as what economists say. It is a basket case. Before, Muslim Mindanao was even progressive and even richer than some of the provinces in Luzon. And I always tell this story just to cap it up, I always tell this story because, when I was doing literacy work before I became senator, whenever we give evaluation tests to check if the learners, the adults have learned how to read and write, we draw pictures, mimeograph pictures, bahay, isda, bulaklak, and when it is watched, 99% the answer is always Rolex. Why? Because Rolex was a common thing in Mindanao, in Muslim Mindanao. So that just tells you how progressive and rich the area was before. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Senator. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I wish I was there in Muslim Mindanao. That way I can wear a Rolex. No, sayang.
Sir, not anymore.
Not anymore.
Iba na. Wala na.
Saka noon in the old days, ang tawag din po dyan, PX. Yung mga pumapasok
wala
sa ilalim.
Wala na yan.
If you have a chance to go down in Mindanao, believe me, it's a beautiful country. And tama yun. I'd like to reiterate what the good senator just said. Alam mo, Muslim, Mindanao, Pilipino, pare-pareho lang tayo Pilipino. Ang Ilocano, Pampangueño, Tiga-Tarlac, Manileño, Kapampangan, whatever, pare-pareho lang po tayo. Minsan nag-iiba yung salita, depending on the area, pero miski pa paano Pilipino. Alam mo ko lang saan tayo nag-iiba? Sa pag-iisip. Ang tawag po dyan, crab mentality. Tsaka siyempre marami dyan magagaling, marunong mandukot ng pera. Okay lang yun eh. Ang problema, ninanakaw sa taong bayan. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Harrington Boatco. We hope you've enjoyed this program and I've helped somehow in helping analyze issues confronting us all. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much, Senator.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.